Good evening, everyone. Happy Friday. And I'm on the way to the church tonight. I'm gonna attend the church service because tomorrow I'm gonna be busy. I don't have time to go to the church tomorrow. I have training and I have assessment for tomorrow. I hope that's right away so that I won't be late in our church service. See, this is Hamnan Street. My church is in Evangelical near Abu Dhabi Immigration. See?